Hello guys! Today I will show you how to install Minecraft Forge on your Minecraft installation in Official Launcher. As you can see here, I have Minecraft 1.18.2 installed and nothing else, just vanilla Minecraft 1.18.2. This is not, it's just latest release. So to install Minecraft Forge, I need to go to minecraftforge.net, click on Files, and here choose my version. Here we have latest and recommended. I will install latest installer, which is just jar file. This is okay, this is advertisement. We need to wait some time. Skip. Okay, now if you're on Windows, you can just double click this jar file in your Explorer, but since I'm on Linux with no Explorer, I need to use my terminal. So my installer is in downloads, and to use it I need to print here Java jar and name of our installer. Don't be afraid, we now will have GUI application with some options: install client, server, extract, offline installer. Usually you will need to install clients, and here is your usual folder of Minecraft installation. So before we will do it, we need to close our Minecraft launcher. Okay, now we're ready. So now successfully installed client profile Forge for version 1.18.2. We can now close it, and we can open Minecraft launcher to be sure that we have now our installation. As you can see here, now I have not only 1.18.2, but now I have Forge 1.18.2 with corresponding version. Thank you for watching. If you want to know how to install mods, then see you in next episodes.